Those are my friends, my best friends. Enjoyable landlord. Tell me if she know.
BSW.
Okay,
Sit down.
I think I'll do 14. But like, I can't do 24. 24 is too long.
Now. You
Is a friend. She can go to Dubai, Toronto, Kinika. She will not buy back. Going back is a problem.
Atinuke wants plantain, right, baby? She said yes.
You never from a parrot.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, and welcome if you're new. Today I'm doing my very first a day in my life as a pregnant mama. I am running around, and honestly I just thought about this. I literally was getting in the car and I was like, maybe I should do a day in my life, because it seems like a busy afternoon for me. I've already gone to church. Today is Sunday. I went to church. Well, I went to my church, right? And now I'm going to meet up my friends at my parent church. That's my former church. So I'm going there now. And then I have other things to do. So I thought, let me do a day in my life video or vlog for y'all. So yeah, I'm heading out to the church. They should be closing about soon. So I'm trying to get there at the time that they finish service, because I'm not there for the service. Usually, like in the past, I will go to my church. It's just a 1 hour service from 10 to 11. Then I'll go to my parents' church, which starts around that 11:30, which starts around 11. So, but today I didn't want to go for service. I didn't want people to start to see my belly yet. So I was like, no, I'm not going to go for service. I'm just going to go to my church, come home, do some stuff. And then when service is about to be over at my parents' church, I will go so I can meet up with my friends. And then we can go to where we're going to. But before I get to church, I'm going to branch at CVS to pick up my prenatals. I ran out and they texted me that the refill is ready, so I'm going to pick that up. They close at 1:30, so I need to get there on time. So yeah, that's where I'm going now. CVS, pick up prenatals, my prenatal vitamins, and then head to church.
Thanks for choosing CVS Pharmacy.
Helen, Helen. Thank you. Alrighty, I've just collected my prenatal vitamins from CVS. Now I'm heading to church. Is this thing recording the way it's supposed to record? My friends haven't tested me to check on where I'm at, so I'm assuming church is still not over. But whatever the case is, the lights. Whatever the case is, I'm going to sit in my car. Like when I get there and the church service is still going on, I'm gonna sit in the car and wait until they're over, until it's over. I'm not going in. I'm traveling this week in 2 days, so I want to get my hair done. I'm gonna get it done tomorrow, but I'm gonna buy the crochet that I need today. So I'll be going to the beauty supply store to buy that. That's where we're going together. And then there are more things coming up today that I'll be sharing as I approach the activity. All right. All right, you guys, I almost forgot to continue this content. So I met with my friends in church. They are here. And yeah, so by the time I got to church was just finishing. And then, but you know, African church, you still have to wait a little bit, go around, greet all the people in the world. Finally finished that, and then I'm at the air store right now. I'm just trying to find parking. But those are my friends, my best friends. Enjoyable landlord. Tell me if she know.
BSW.
Okay,
Sit down.
So that's what we're going to
Yeah,
we are buying air. I didn't do outfit check, but this is outfit check. Outfit check. Kill the pop in church today, you know.
black and yellow.
And then this one's like to wear black.
She's wearing black.
I don't understand. She's always a rebel. I already know what I'm buying, so I'm just going straight to. So this is the hairstyle I want to do. This one.
pay me my money for showing
So,
straight.
you only bone straight. It's not only bone straight.
Oh, not today.
You want to buy Malikin head?
I don't like that one. I prefer that other one.
What about this one?
No, I prefer that other one. They don't have
And it's $9.
Yeah.
You don't have
No,
it.
$12. No, $9.
They need to buy them.
It will be good for
Bone straight.
I don't think it's expensive for that price.
For that bad price.
All the shape sales to buy fake day, but one must be straight in the bone straight.
Do you have the edge, Abby?
Yes. The one we got that day now. It will be easy to straighten.
Can you carry it? Or leave it here and you carry it when we're almost done.
Mama pack it for all the shape market. So if you are being,
I can't wait for me by me.
The one that's already done. How many packs? How many packs did you get? 3.
yes, that is stereo. It's not two. Yeah, we were meant to buy for stereo.
Oh yeah, 3.
Okay. And you use all 3.
Yes.
I think your head is bigger than my head. So
2 cannot be.
I know, but I'm just saying that 3 and not told me.
It cannot be.
No, 3 will be okay now. 3.
No,
It's not this. It's butterfly locks, right?
no, not this one.
There's this one here. It's not this one. Look,
No. I think it's this one, Western.
it's giving me this vibe.
It's not this one.
Yeah, but if it's butterfly locks, doesn't
Okay,
matter
I think
now.
it's this brand. I'm not.
This is not butterfly locks. That's it though. If they don't have your exact one, I'll buy the other one. No, are you sure it's this brand?
Yeah,
Is it this brand?
Yeah, I think it's.
Yeah,
They don't have shorter.
There's short.
Should I take short one or long one? What do you
There's
think?
this one again, 14 inches.
Why do you want short there? All of you are
I've told you I don't like anything too like only on vacation. I don't want to be doing.
whatever.
I want to shake and go.
Yeah. There's short one.
Maybe I should just buy long
There's
for a
this one.
change.
Uh-huh.
So this one is 24 inches.
Yeah,
you need 3.
That one is 14.
Because I remember it was 2, like it was divided into 2. Then we started counting, like it's not a lot.
I think it's this thing in it, 18 or so.
Okay,
Is it up to
I think these are the 2 sizes they have, right?
There's 3. There's 10. There's you see this one.
10, 14,
There's
and
14.
sure
you want to do
what do you
14?
think about the 14?
Since you don't do longer, you can do 14. Only Esther, come and see it.
I think I'll do
This is
14.
the color. Tiwara.
They have right here.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
The one is the one.
I think I'll do 14. But like, I can't do 24. 24 is too long.
Now. You
Ah,
style. You should fit you.
there you go,
Come
though.
and shape pack style, but you can do short.
This one
one,
too
it
pack
depends
style
on-
now.
It will be fine.
Okay, I'll do long for a change.
Uh-huh.
I will do one. Yeah, right. I did short hair to Paris. I should just do long this time
They
around.
don't have
I want 1B and then I'll take 2 1B and 1 T30.
How will you not miss it, right?
Did I not miss it the last time? Yeah, I'll take these 3. Great. Thank you. Yeah.
Are you sure?
And you said 3, Abby? Yeah, that's enough. Okay, I'm
You
all
can buy
set.
4 if you
Like,
It's too much. But
Three,
Ori will over basic.
even it about it, so we'll manage it. I'm not
What
buying.
color are you? Why don't you try another color? Why?
I can put wine in it too, but it has to be too black.
No, this is a natural.
It has to be too black. If anything, I'm changing this.
I don't think they have
gold.
wine for the long one. Oh, they have.
They have right
But
here.
I'm saying
Yeah,
like,
I'm fine.
but this is a
But
natural.
wine in the more mix it with black with to Paris.
Oh, okay. Use this one.
Use this one, but I don't know how they will mix it. That should mix
They will mix it now. Please crochet.
Maybe
I don't know
Please,
if they
it'll be a
mix it.
highlight.
this is C27. But I prefer that one. That one is
C30.
bright.
Yeah, this is brighter. Yeah. Anything else?
Nothing, ma. Look at
Let's
this.
Of course.
Look at this one, Esther. It should be nice on you.
It's not bad though. It's not like your bone straight.
No.
Are you sure? And it's fine, no. Rebecca, it's fine.
Bye.
I should buy. No.
The texture is not
It's
bad.
not bad. I'm telling you, it's not bad at all. For 59.99. It will turn to sponge. So if I'm not buying wig, Laura will combine. We are done. We're ready to check out.
Are you still carrying that mannequin head thing?
Uh-uh.
Buy this thing.
That's
I'm not
good.
sure. I don't think
Just buy it. Ah,
buy it. Thank you.
Now it's a current.
just buy it and forget. It's fine. Nice air accessory. I think it's still in the front. Carry your stuff.
Conditioner, we don't have.
So Esther did not buy anything.
Honestly, hands down, I don't need those stuff. But I will let you judge.
Yeah, I have one of this at home, but I
No.
use it for just water.
Yeah.
So this one you use it for what?
Yeah.
Leave-in conditioner and whatnot.
Did you buy the conditioner?
I have now.
My phone is ringing.
Okay, hair accessories for your hair.
No. I bought one last time I was going to Paris. I'm good. I'm not buying again. Adalo, Hey, love. Was it that one you bought the other day to my house?
Hey, where's the orange? They don't
This
have
one,
orange.
because
I've not tried that one.
The orange is too sweet.
oh, right here, pineapple right there. Pineapple right there.
Hey, small one, move.
This one is small one again. Buy the big one now. Abi,
Oh, me, I want the orange.
they don't have orange.
Chibi, you bought orange. Buy pineapple.
Buy mango.
It's pineapple. It's pineapple.
Voila. Which one is that? Fruit punch is always good. You can never go wrong with fruit punch.
Let's go.
They have orange.
I guess people like you bought everything. Yeah. All the things my friend bought. There is my own stuff. This is what I got. I got banana. Where's my banana? See, me, I eat LG. Where's my banana? Actually, I bought
Show
banana.
them this one
I don't know
first.
how I will get there.
No, show them this one first. You got cake. Is this one
It's
healthy?
a lie. It was the cake in the
Biscuits.
corner.
No, don't look for
Okay,
banana.
you too. I bought banana, I
No,
bought
no.
mandarin, and I bought this too. Oh, Paris. No, I did not try. But look at what they carry a whole bucket of ice cream. Look at this. What is this? Whoa,
Why did you not show them all
I
this?
thought.
But you not say I got
So
banana.
I was gonna get the one of conju. I got banana, tangerine or mandarin, and then I got this pound cake and
And I did
because I'm traveling, so I'm like maybe I should get some snacks to go. At least they brought carrots this time around. Oh, see another more unhealthy stuff.
girl, she's saying that we're
This
not
one.
eating healthy.
See, ìgbà yẹn ló tún wá lọ gbé. Don't worry, I already showed that
What
one.
is this? No, this
How many unhealthy stuff did I buy? See this one. Ọ̀tọ̀ nìkan tó wá lọ. See what she came back with. See what she came back with. Òun náà ló gbélé. This is her own. This is her own. She carried
They
Titus.
long data.
She carried
That
Titus.
makes sense.
What is this?
Because this
What is this?
Rebecca.
Of course. What is the difference between this one
Capricorn.
and this one?
Actually, I don't have to buy this one since I got Capricorn. Let me
Can you imagine? See, this is how she buys rubbish.
Like it's
Eh?
almost close to $1.
Wait, did you buy one
Yes. No.
to like step down.
to step down?
So
No, honestly, I think that they even did well today with their shopping. I mean, look at food now. Before, hey. She got tomatoes, she got bread, carrots. No, they actually shopped LD today. Yeah, you can go first since my stuff is not a lot. Another lane, auntie. She said another lane. You're closing?
Oh,
That one do line like taro. We've been in line the whole time. You didn't tell us.
in line for like 4 minutes.
Please just take us. We've been in line the whole time. Now you're telling. Thank you. We would, if we had known, we would have moved. We would have moved away. Been waiting in line since.
Macron sorry bread me. Watch my bread.
Back down. Watch our bread.
Watch my bread.
I think Titus.
Yeah, Titus.
Yam.
Yeah,
Okay.
makes sense.
Where's my bread? I think I actually have it.
The bread, the veggie, the one there.
Take anyone from then.
The one I like. What's this bread? Yeah.
I don't mind. Bread is bread.
Big madam.
Collect it.
Big madam. Kò ní dá padà. Kò ní dá padà. Are you still closing? Should we tell the people at the back?
Do you want to drink with me?
Okay. I don't need to buy bag.
I followed come and I brought
I have bag in. Follow come. You brought us here. What do you mean you follow come? You brought us here. Even that's what I'm saying. If I knew I was coming, I would have brought grocery bag. I will have brought grocery bag.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Diary of Esther.
Where is a friend? She can go to Dubai, Toronto. She will not buy bag. Grocery bag is a problem.
Grocery bag is not a problem. I have grocery bag in the car.
She will never buy. She will say reusable. 20 cents.
But what about? I don't need bag. I have bag in the car. I didn't know I was gonna buy stuff. That's why.
Bag. No. In the bag. No. Bag.
No. This content is I forgot again. Taking my hair out. Ooh, hair is popping. Popping. Hair is popping. And we're watching movie. Also, I'm waiting for food. My friend is making Tinu baby is making all of a sudden it's Tinu baby. She's frying plantain. She just cooked rice. Yes, so I begged for it. Atinike wants Atinike wants plantain, right, baby? She said yes. She said yes. So yes, I'm waiting for plantain and rice. Rice and stew and plantain. This vlogging must work. I already started eating.
You spent today.
I'm telling you, when I started this vlog, I told myself, I said I have plenty things to do today, so I must vlog. So yes, I must vlog. Oh, look at my hair. Oh, look at that. Anyway, we're eating. We're eating now. No, the fork. Look at this bush girl. This is my own food. Tati marry. What's the wig? Tati marry. Anyway, food is important. When we finish, I'll continue my hair. Because we don't put that at the back. Alright, so I just finished eating. About to finish up this. Finish taking this out and I'll be all set. So I tried to call the nail salon place to schedule an appointment. Well, I don't even think it's considered scheduling an appointment if I tell them I want to come in 1 hour time. But anyway, I looked them up to call their number and then I found out that they're closed. So they're closed today. So I won't be able to get my nails done today. I'll go tomorrow. I'm working from home tomorrow, so yeah, this is the phone. I'm gonna get my nails done tomorrow. I don't travel until Tuesday evening. I'm working from home tomorrow, so I'll go there maybe during lunchtime or like when I finish, because I think they close at 7. So when I finish work I can still go. But that's the plan. So when I finish my hair, that will be all for today. I'll go home. Yeah. The day is over because I can't get my nails done. So this is
Yeah, they don't open on Sunday.
I didn't know that. I thought they just close early. Because I think normally they close at 7. So I was thinking today they will close earlier than 7.
I mean, some of them open on Sunday, but
They definitely, some of them definitely open on Sunday for sure, yeah. I didn't know about this particular one. We are out here and we are done for the day. Thank you so much, ladies, for taking my hair out. Tomorrow morning, I will wash it. I go and be my husband. Tomorrow morning, I'll wash it. I'll get it done. I'll get home. I will not pack today, but I will put my stuff together. But I won't pack my bag today. Alrighty, let's do bye. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you next time. I like that. See you next time.
Subscribe to our channel.
Living life with Helen.
Living life with Helen. We love you guys.